Hi guys, welcome to Techavro. In this video, I'm gonna be showing you how to delete pages in Adobe Acrobat. So firstly, go to Adobe Acrobat. Now choose the PDF. Double click on the PDF, and then you'll find on top Tools option. Click on this Tools. Then choose Organize Pages. This one. Click on Open, and then you can see all the pages of the PDF here. Choose the picture you want to delete. Like I want to delete this picture. Click on this icon, delete icon, and click on OK. The picture has been deleted. If you want to delete multiple picture together, you can select. Now click on Control and select pages. Okay, and then you'll find here delete option on top. Click on this and click on delete. Your 4 page will be deleted. Again, Control and select from the mouse like this, and then delete. Okay guys, so this is how you can delete PDFs, picture, or the pages from the PDF. So guys, if you find this video helpful, then please give a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe the channel. Thank you so much for watching the video.